you can feel it in the air, in the smiles, in the joy, in the most ordinary and unexpected moments. Life's at its best with the ultimate comfort system from Lennox. Temperatures are held where you want them with a simple touch. Precisely heated and cooled air flows silently to every room. Energy efficiency is at its peak, even in extreme hot or cold. Pure, clean freshness surrounds you year-round. The ultimate comfort system finally achieves what no other heating and air conditioning system can. Perfection. Ask a Lennox dealer about the ultimate comfort system today.